Now zebra has to ask to the fox. He will ask to enter a number. Then after that he will calculate that it's a square root, or what is the square root of that number. So we'll go to events first, and I'll choose a block when this sprite is clicked, means when zebra will be clicked, then what will happen. So first she is going to ask a question. So we'll go to the sensing block and use this ask, and he is going to ask a question, that is enter a number. Now we have to save this number in a variable. So I'm going to declare a variable with the name number, and set the answer to the recently declared variable, that is number, and go to the sensing block and choose answer. Now the answer is saved in the variable number. Now we have to do the calculation. And what calculation? जो भी number उसने enter करा है, we have to check कि what is the square root of that number. So we will go to the message first, looks block, and he will say this, sorry, the square root of this number is. Now we have to print the square root. So we will go to the operators and choose the last operator. Choose the last operator where we have a square root function. So this is a operator which we have to use this time, and out of this list we have to choose square root, and we have to calculate the square root of number. So we will go to variables and choose number and place it here. Because this is not the only message, we also have to add one more message in this. So again we are going to the operators and we are joining two different blocks. So second will be this block, and first will be this message. So I'm going to copy this message from the block and paste it here. Now put it inside this and keep it here. Now wait for 5 seconds and check. Now when zebra will be pressed, he will ask enter a number. So suppose I'm entering a number 9. 9, the square root of 9 will be 3. So he will also reply the square root of this number is 3. Similarly, now again I'm pressing on zebra and he's again asking for to enter a number. Suppose this time I am entering a number something like this, a long number. So this is a square root of 169.602476, and it's a long number. So 164.26 is basically the answer. So I hope it is clear to everyone how to use join operator, how to use square root operator, and what is the use of length operator. So using the length operator, we can count the length of the name or the number which the user is entering. And using the square root operator, you can calculate the square root of that number.